For those who enjoy ultimate automation or thrive with manual hands-on artistry, the Oracle Dual Boiler has arrived, featuring our largest highly responsive touchscreen run by a quad-core processor 4 times more powerful than its predecessor, and the performance of a dual boiler heating system, now with remote power on. Auto Mode simplifies specialty coffee at home. With a rich, intuitive experience, you're on your way to instant mastery in a few simple steps. Discover the genius of the Auto Dial-In system, which magically fine-tunes your extraction. Each espresso shot is monitored in real time with automatic grind size adjustments, ensuring balanced flavour. And the new Auto Milk produces silky smooth microfoam faster than ever before. Manual mode offers even more control. Tweak, refine, and customize your brew and see real-time feedback with the pressure gauge display. Ideal for the home barista seeking precision and performance. At its core, the machine's powerful dual boiler heating system delivers simultaneous brewing and milk texturing like a professional machine. With a reimagined design and luxe colours to match your style, it's an authentic specialty coffee experience at home. Fully automated or manually crafted. It's your coffee, your way.